Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a chicken, so let's get started. To draw this cute chicken, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across a little bit wider because I need to fit a beak in between. So let's say about right here. And draw another circle. And we're not making them too big because this is a chicken, right? So they're kind of small. So all I'm going to do is just add a highlight right here of a circle and shade it all in instead of trying to force in my draw so cute eyes. And same thing over here. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's go above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then we're going to come in between the eyes and draw the beak. So about right here in the center, I'm just going to draw a curve and then connect it into this rounded triangle. So now that we have that beak, then since we're here, let's go ahead and draw the wattle. So come right here and we're just going to draw two curves right underneath it and come right back. Then from there, we need to start to draw the head. So I'm going to come to the center of my eye and come out just a little bit, about right there. Same thing on this side, about right there. And using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and go up to create the top of our head. So I'm just going to come in with a curve. Come in with a curve, and let's continue this curve up to say about right there. And then round it off and bring it right back. There. So now that we have this shape in, we can go ahead and bring this down. We're going to start the neck area. So we're going to bring it down past the beak and past the wattle. And then about right here, we're just going to curve out. And curve out. And before I forget, I'm going to come back to the center area and we're going to draw the comb. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to draw three curves. So one, and then a center one, and another one. There. Then let's go ahead and come back right here. We're going to curve it out. And same thing here, just curve it out. And now that we're almost about the same level, let's go ahead and we're just going to connect this with a bunch of zigzags for the feathers. So I'm just going to go ahead and just say here and there, all the way across, just to break up the head from the body. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and continue. Come out. This is the breast area, the chest. You can bring it down, and then on this side we're going to draw the back. So this part comes out. So we're going to just curve it out and then go up slightly, about right there. Then let's go ahead and continue this part down. Nice full plump chicken. And let's say about right here. And then let's come back about right here. We're going to stop and draw some tail feathers. So I'm just going to put in three, just to simplify it. 2 and 3. All right there. And then we're going to come back in here and just connect all the way back. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back and we need to draw a wing in this area. So let's say about right here underneath this eye, I'm going to come about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve. Bring it along the back, and then about right here, soften this tip and then just bring it in. And then in this area, if you want to draw in some details, you can come right here, 1, 2, maybe 3, and add in some feather detail. There. Okay, so then you can have a chicken just like this, and then if you wanted to have the chicken maybe just sitting, you can just draw in some grass or some hay. But I think we need to put in some legs today, so if you want to do that, I can help you draw that. So let's say underneath this eye, about right in this area underneath the wing, I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve. So like for the leg area, and then we're going to draw another one, same thing, and just kind of tuck it in. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the feet. So I'm just going to make them short so it's extra cute. So about right there. And we need to bring out the feet. So I'm just going to draw maybe 3 of them. Yeah, just 3. 1, 2, 3. And so the same thing on this side. I'm just going to kind of go out just like the other side. And connect. There. Hopefully you think this is super cute chicken. And that is pretty much it, except I need to fit in a little heart somewhere. So I'm just going to tuck it in right here to make this my Draw So Cute chicken. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.